Hi everyone, I brought back from PA 2 ceiling fans. I forgot the blades to that one. And that one's gonna go here. So I might try to take these blades and try to put them on that and see if they'll fit. Because PA's 5 hours. Maybe you recognize this ceiling fan. This ceiling fan was on the other side of the basement by the washer and dryer. This is the one I got from a friend's neighbor out of the trash. Wobbles a little bit, the blades are off. I don't know if you'd be able to tell. Would like to get another long pull chain for the speed, but everything works. Two LEDs and two fluorescents. So if you have a comment, please leave one.